is Kavat Singh Bhani. I'm from Mauritius Island. I'm 41 years of age. I came here because I have AVN for the past 11 years, and doctors in my country were saying to do hip replacement, and then I heard about StemRx and came here for therapy concerning my disease. For the past 3-4 years I was having difficulties working, doing my daily things, going out of something, and every time I have to take painkillers day and night. I was not even to sleep well because I have pain. And I have heard about StemRx. There's a Medicheck clinic in Mauritius, which is a branch of StemRx in Mauritius, and I have heard about it with Dr. Nabil, who works over there. After the treatment, before the treatment started, I was feeling better with the physio team, and after I have done the treatment, the stem cells injection, I could feel better. The pain is not here anymore. I feel very little bit, and it's like pain-free. And I think I should say that I'm getting better here, and I'm very happy not going for hip replacement, because hip replacement, it's a kind of thing that we have to do it every 7 to 10 years. But here, treating the AVN itself gives us a new life. I would say that Dr. Mahajan knows his job. He's very professional, and because while doing the treatment and the injection, he knows what he is doing. And I would suggest people that, I know for me it's AVN, avascular necrosis of hip. I would suggest anyone, like also in Mauritius, to come here and do the treatment, and you will see the difference, because I have seen the difference. Although I'm using like now the walker, but I have the pain-free feeling. I don't have the pain anymore, and for the first time for the past 11 years, I have not taken any painkillers for the 3 weeks I have been here. So that's a big difference, because for the past 11 years, daily I have been taking painkillers. So I would suggest anyone that having difficulties not to just go and have replacement. First come here and try this treatment, and you will see the result. Yeah, I would say thank you, doctor, because whenever we meet, he always make us like at ease and not give us hope that we will be better, and we are actually better and going forward, because the way he talks and he drives us, it makes us feel that we are actually better now before going. So I would say Dr. Mahajan, a great thank you, and if possible he could as quickly as possible open it in Mauritius, it will be better for us rather than come. I'm not saying it's not good here, but it will be better for us traveling and all that.